The 2015 Dodge Dart. The Dodge Dart was introduced as a lower-priced, shorter wheelbase, full-size Dodge in 1960 and 1961. Became a midsize car for 1962, and finally was a compact from 1963 to 1976. Chrysler had previously applied the Dart name to the Ghia-built show car in 1956. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, heated seats, traction control, automatic stability control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, center armrest, fog lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so